In a nation of 1.5 billion souls, healthcare is not a privilege, it is a lifeline. Yet India stands at crossroads. Policy paralysis has stalled progress. Public sector hospitals have collapsed under neglect, and millions of the poor, the weak and the needy remain deprived of even the most basic care. The question is no longer whether we can afford to invest in healthcare. The question is whether we can afford not to. At this defining moment, one voice rises above the silence. Dr. Satya Brahma, founder, chairman and editor-in-chief of Network 7 Media Group, is widely recognized as a catalyst of change in an era of global uncertainty. Through fearless editorial leadership and bold summit curation, he has challenged entrenched power structures, spotlighted governance gaps and inspired reform. His vision transforms journalism and leadership discourse into instruments of societal transformation. A distinguished expert on the global geopolitical landscape, Dr. Brahma connects shifting international power dynamics with India's national priorities, ensuring that debates on governance, diplomacy and leadership remain relevant to everyday citizens. His voice is trusted for its depth, independence and ability to provoke meaningful dialogue. All, Dr. Brahma is a champion of healthcare for 1.5 billion Indians. He believes that healthcare is not merely a policy priority, it is a moral imperative. His call is clear. India must invest far more in healthcare infrastructure and services to safeguard dignity, equity and resilience. Dr. Brahma's reform agenda is bold and uncompromising. A massive increase in public healthcare spending, ensuring hospitals are equipped, staffed and accessible to all. Universal primary healthcare coverage, so that the poor and marginalized are never denied treatment. Strengthening rural healthcare infrastructure, bringing modern facilities to villages where deprivation is greatest. Accountability and transparency in healthcare governance, ending corruption and inefficiency that rob citizens of care. Public-private partnerships with ethical safeguards, ensuring innovation and investment serve the people, not profiteering. Training and retaining medical professionals so India's talent serves its own citizens rather than fleeing abroad. For Dr. Brahma, healthcare is the foundation of trust, the driver of innovation and the guarantor of global impact. His vision is clear. India must act now or risk betraying the dignity of its people. In his words and actions, Dr. Brahma positions healthcare reform as India's most urgent national mission, a mission that will define the country's strength and credibility in the 21st century. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome a fearless reformer, a visionary leader, and a relentless advocate for accessible and affordable healthcare, Dr. Satya Brahma.